Hey there, in a few moments we'll have your Roku connected to your Wi-Fi. So grab your remote and let's get started. Start by pressing the Home button. Then come down this list until you get to Settings. Move across to the right and you come to Network. Go across, down and down to Set Up Connection. You can see wireless on the right hand side. Go across to wireless and press the OK button. It begins a wireless scan and it looks for networks in the area. Here it's located mine, which is internet. I'll click it. Now you need to enter your password. Once that's done, click Connect. Now you can see on the right hand side it says that I'm connected, and that's how you connect your Roku to your wireless internet. If it's been useful, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I wish you a great day ahead.